So hey you guys, my name is Jennifer Bevins. I'm a landscape designer here in Vero Beach, Florida. And today we're filming in my backyard. I wanted to share a product that I have had for just about a year now. And as most of you know, that I put a lot of material within my landscape in my home just to kind of test it, see how it does. This is Viera edging. Merv contacted us about a year ago and said, hey, give us a try and see how you like the product. So it's a faux stone product. It is something super easy to install, so that was a big plus for us. So one of the things I love about this product and the reason why I wanted to try it is because A, it's lightweight, B, it's super flexible. So if you guys know in my landscapings, I love to create those curves. And then C, it's just a fantastic American-made product. I am absolutely in love with it. I plan on using it in so many of my future projects now that I've really gotten to test it out. So as you guys know, here in Florida, the maintenance companies, they just come through, they mow, blow, weed eat, and I was really concerned about how well this product was gonna hold up with weed eating. I'm telling you, it has been nicked and hammered, and it looks fantastic. It's really held up super well. And the second thing in Florida, which you know everybody knows here, our UV light is, the sun is just crazy. So I was really concerned about how was it gonna fade? Was it going to, look just crusty over time? But a year in, it's been fantastic. And I've read so many positive reviews on it before I installed it that it's held up for years and years. So this is a product that I can really get behind. And I'm super excited to have it here installed in my front yard. It's just a breeze. So just to give you guys kind of a quick comparison, this is the aluminum alloy edging that we've used in the past, and it's a great product, don't get me wrong. It does its job, it does hold in the rocks. Not super appealing when it comes to the visual aspect of it, but it is an overall good product unless you're dealing with mowers that are gonna run and hit and bump it. But you can kind of see how angled and how it's been hit and nicked. And that has happened here, but it's also happened on the Viera edging. And you can totally tell the results. This is why I really like this product, because it not only is it pliable and bendable, but it's actually something that once it's in and it's sturdy. So not only would I recommend Viera edging to my friends and family, but I install it for my customers. So this is a product that I plan to use from now on out, and I'm super excited to start. We're going to use it on a project called Syngenta, and it's going to have some nice walkway pathways that we're going to incorporate some Viera edging in, so you'll get a chance to actually see it in action. I'll see you guys in the next video.